Alright guys, here we go again. Now this time, notice I still have triangles I'm going to do. I have 3 vertices. I want to go ahead and translate them across the given line, but this time we're going to just do it without the graphing. We're just going to make sure we use arrow notation. I don't want you just to change it in your head. Those of you who are stubborn, I understand that, but you also get the stubborn points taken off on the test if you do so. So make sure you always do how you're asked. This is me being very particular in this area. So this one I want to reflect across the line y equals x. So I know I go xy goes to y x. So if I do this, I got my a, which is at 2, 3. My a prime is going to be at 3, 2. B is at negative 1, 5, and b prime is going to be at 5, negative 1. C is at 4, negative 1, and c prime is going to be at negative 1, 4. Then we also have for b. This time I'm going to take u, v, and w, and I'm going to reflect it across the y-axis. So that means I go x, y is then going to imply I'm going to have a negative x, y. Remember, it flips sides of the axis. So here I got u is at a negative 8, 2, and u prime is going to be at, make sure I just said that correctly, positive 8, 2. Then we have v, which is going to be at negative 3, negative, I can't seem to write all of a sudden, negative 1. And my v prime is going to end up being at what? Not your v prime, my friends. It's going to be at 3, negative 1. Alright, let's do last one, w here. And this is a new one. This is the first time we did the y-axis, so I guess that's what's throwing me off. I got 3, 3 here. Is implied that w prime is going to be negative 3, positive 3, because I get negative x. Alright, let's get our last one done, which is going to be our c. And we know this time it's going to cross the x-axis. So my mapping, my arrow notation is going x, y is going to be x, negative y is your other ordered pair. So e is at here negative 3, negative 2 implies that e prime is going to be at negative 3, positive 2. F is at 6, negative 4, and f prime is going to be at what? 6, 4. And then we have g, which is at negative 2, 1, is that g prime is going to be at negative 2, negative 1. That's how easy it is to show the I can't talk now, arrow notation for reflection. So make sure you read carefully your directions, and make sure you always show me your arrow notation when you work with these.